It's April the 3rd and the flower bed has really changed since a month ago. Peonies are coming up, daffodils, iris. It's April 14th and the garden bed has really come up, as it always does. It's a little salvia, peony, buds are everywhere. This is a beautiful red peony. Here's my creeping phlox, which I love. Daffodils are fading somewhat. We have gobs of iris. Little teeny bits of hosta. This is called money plant. It's the white disc on it. Looks like money. Primrose. What's left of the daffodils. Some more daffodils. Oh boy, look at this peony. That's pretty amazing. Wow. It's a little bulb. Let's go look at the Forsythia. Oh, it's so sweet. It's a great little plant. It's a little shrub. This is solid white daffodil. Quite lovely. This is actually a dwarf sage, which I really like. Hasn't gotten any bigger than that. The leaves are much smaller than the regular sage. Dogwoods are blooming now. Redbud. Things are coming along. Maple trees are leafing out. I don't normally get to bring flowers inside. This is my only spot because of